top of the list is we actually can get started with asparagus. Now, asparagus is kind of a fun one, but it takes a long time. And asparagus is one that if I did seed or starts right now, I'm probably not going to see any fruit from my asparagus for about 2 years, maybe 3. Because asparagus is like a root kind of vegetable, and it grows up from the root, and those initial sprouts are the things that you're going to harvest. And in order to get them thick enough to be worth eating, it takes about 3 years to get to that point. So asparagus is one. Basil. Oh, go ahead.
Well, the nice thing about that is it's a plant that, like you said, it'll just keep growing back. It's not like you've got to plant it every single year.
Yep. And so you put it in a spot, and I love putting asparagus more so in a morning sun, afternoon shade period, regardless of weather conditions, because this is more of a perennial plant I can plant via seed, and I'm going to dedicate a good 3-foot square area for it, and I make sure at least 3 foot square, give myself some space to let it grow in, let it fill in that space, and it'll give me enough that I can actually have a meal. And makes a beautiful fern during the summertime after it sprouts out. And when it is to the point that it's growing thick enough, you're only going to end up harvesting about 1/3 of that each year, to allow the other 2/3 to continue to grow and develop and become really good product for you the next year. And so that's kind of the trick with asparagus. But asparagus is a great one, especially if you got the space for it and you can commit a long-term experience for your asparagus.
When you say the space, how much are we talking?
Well, like I was saying, it's like 3 feet wide. You just want a bigger swath of an area. I'd say, maybe you're going 3 foot wide by 1 foot, in terms of depth. And so you've got that 3 foot square kind of space that you're working with. And I would put that as probably your minimum space that you want to do if you're going to do asparagus.